Hello everyone. Union Minister for Youth Affairs and Sports Mansukh Mandaviya has proposed significant changes to the National Anti-Doping Act. These amendments aim to introduce criminal provisions targeting trafficking, illegal supply, and organized networks involved in doping. Importantly, the proposal clarifies that athletes will not face criminal prosecution solely for anti-doping rule violations or positive tests. In a public consultation paper released on Thursday, the Sports Ministry highlighted that the current anti-doping framework primarily imposes sporting sanctions, such as suspensions and disqualifications, but lacks a dedicated criminal mechanism to address the organized ecosystem behind performance-enhancing substances. The proposed changes seek to criminalize the trafficking, sale, and distribution of prohibited substances and methods, as well as the administration of banned substances to athletes and the supply of such substances to minors. The ministry emphasized that doping has evolved into an organized network that exploits athletes for profit, which necessitates stronger legal intervention. The government aims to protect athletes and dismantle the criminal networks profiting from doping. Under the new framework, athletes who test positive for banned substances will continue to be subject to existing anti-doping penalties rather than facing criminal charges. The focus of the amendments will be on traffickers, illegal suppliers, organized syndicates, and individuals administering prohibited substances to athletes. Enhanced penalties are proposed for cases involving minors or organized criminal groups. Recognizing that young athletes are particularly vulnerable to exploitation, the proposed reforms are designed to safeguard grassroots sports and protect the future of Indian athletes. The framework aligns with India's obligations under the UNESCO International Convention Against Doping in Sport and is consistent with the World Anti-Doping Agency position. Furthermore, the ministry clarified that athletes with valid therapeutic use exemptions will remain protected, and bona fide medical practitioners providing emergency treatment will also be safeguarded under the proposed provisions. The reforms aim to balance athlete protection, the integrity of sport, public health, and effective enforcement as India seeks to enhance its clean sport framework amid its growing prominence in international sports. Thanks for watching JMBDD News.